We're Baden Dreams! Today we're going to be showing you how to make a style sheet.
Wait, what's a style sheet?
I'm so glad you asked. A style sheet is a form that shows people everything you need to know about your company, brand, or project. For example, if I owned a cupcake shop and I was trying to make a business card and I didn't know what color I should use, I could refer to my style sheet to find the hexadecimal code. But first, let me show you Baden Dreams' style sheet.
Awesome, but what do you even put on a style sheet?
Well, on a good style sheet, you should have your company's logo, hexadecimal codes, destinations, social media handles, links, and official fonts.
Wow, that's a lot of stuff on one style sheet.
Not really, just basic information for the public to know about.
So I need my logo, social media handles, hexadecimal codes, links, and fonts.
Exactly, Maya. Great job.
Thanks, and thank you for watching.
Bye!